Konnichiwa, minasan. Welcome to Travel Treasures Insight of AI Director, your ultimate guide to discovering the world's hidden gems and amazing adventures. We'll embark on a journey to explore the most enchanting places on Earth. Whether you're an intrepid explorer or an armchair traveler, our channel is the perfect place to satisfy your wanderlust. Every week, we'll dive deep into the heart of a new destination, unearthing the history, culture, and must-see sites that make each location truly unique. We'll bring you up close and personal with the people who call these places home, as well as sample the local cuisine and participate in traditional activities that you won't find in any guidebook. No adventure is too big or too small for us. We'll travel by land, sea, and air, using every mode of transportation imaginable to uncover the most fascinating stories and breathtaking views. Tired of the usual tourist traps? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll venture off the beaten path to reveal the lesser-known attractions and hidden gems that even the locals might not know about. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime, be sure to subscribe to Travel Treasures Insight of AI Director and join us in our quest to uncover the world's most extraordinary places. Sayonara and happy travels, minasan.